morning, students. So last topic we have discussed about construction of a nuclear reactor and briefly explained about each part of the nuclear reactor. In this lecture, I just want to explain about classification of nuclear reactor. Um, on the basis of reactors are classified on basis of different categories on the basis of neutron energy, on the basis of fuel rods, on the basis of moderator used, on the basis of coolant used. Among all these, we are mostly concentrated on the basis of coolant used. In your syllabus, on the basis of coolant used is a important topic in examination point of view. In this, we have water cooled reactor, gas cooled reactor, liquid metal reactor, organic liquid cooled reactor, pressurized water reactor, boiled water reactor, CANDU reactor, fast breeder reactor. These are all coming under different types of coolants are used. Okay. Pressurized, first of all, we just explain about pressurized water reactor. Pressurized water reactor is generally used as a uranium 235 is used as a fuel. Chain reaction produces high level of heat. Here temperature is in order of 296 degrees temperature to maintaining 327 degrees Celsius. Ensure that the water in the primary system remains in the liquid state. A pressurizer will maintain the constant level of the 155 bar. That is the unit of the bar is the pressure unit of the pressure. Okay. Next, here I want to show you in the diagram. See, these are the control rods. Okay, control rods, and fuel is used as a uranium 235. So here we are having the separate chamber for steam generator. Okay, after coolant is here what happened, coolant is somewhat pressurized and then goes before going to the steam generator. That is the main important one we have to think about, we have to mention about. That is coolant is pressurized before going to the steam generator for getting high level of heat generating at the steam generator. So that is the important thing. Next one is, as usual, everything is working as a nuclear reactor. After getting this steam generator, here coolant is give up the heat and heat is transferred from coolant to the water, and it is utilized for increasing the steam levels, and then it is goes to the turbine blades will be rotated, then it is rotate the um, generator, then we are getting the electrical energy. So that is the principle of operation of pressurized water reactor. Here we are using light water is used as a moderator, and coolant is also as a water. Okay, here we are using light water is used as a water coolant. Okay, next we will go to the slide, that is boiling water reactor. So only one difference between pressurized water reactor and boiling water reactor, both are same. Only here the steam is directly, the steam which is producing at boiling boiler at reactor is directly goes to the turbine, close to the turbine. So that is the important one we have to mention here. That is so the reaction after fission process, what happened, the steam is generated, that steam is directly close to the turbine. There is no steam generator in this structure, in this boiling water reactor. That is the main consideration, main difference between boiling water reactor and pressurized water reactor. Okay. And next one is condenser operation is as usual. The steam directly directs the steam to the main turbine, causing it turn to turbine generator, which produce electricity. The unused steam is exhausted to the condenser, where it is condensed into the water. The resulting water is pumped out of a condenser with a series of pumps, reheated and pumped back to the reactor vessel. Same as usual reactor, what we have discussed in nuclear reactor construction. That is again we are studying here. Boiling water reactor as well as pressurized water reactor. Only one difference is there is a separate steam generator in the pressurized water reactor. Here um, there is no separate steam generator for generating the steam. Okay. And next thing is, here the temperature is maintaining at 295 to 85 degrees centigrade to 550 degrees centigrade. There we are maintaining 296 to 296 to 390, 296 to 390. See here, 296 to 327 degrees centigrade we are maintaining temperature here. There is in BWR there is no need, there is we are maintaining more temperature at reactor core. Okay. Next one is here pressurized water reactor. The pressure is we are maintaining 155 bar. Here boiling water reactor 75 bar only we are maintaining here. So that is the difference between the pressurized water reactor and boiling water reactor. So in examination point of view, these two are very very important. Diagrams you have to learn diagrams very neatly and explain in brief. Okay. So with this I'm finishing next reactor, sir. Next I have to explain two more reactors. Those are CANDU reactor and fast breeder reactor. CANDU reactor and fast breeder reactor, that will be explained in next class. Okay. Thank you.